But what is 100% sure is that 2028 election is going to be won by the NPP.
Oh yes.
That is sure. It's not negotiable. Yes. Someone said, especially Sister Hannah, the NDC people have bought her with gifts and data. Can you imagine? I don't even want to talk about her. So that is very sure. 2028, we are going to win the election. Now, if anyone who knows we are going to win the election 2028, then you must be ready to play your part. Now, you cannot play your part while supporting or while supporting a particular camp. Now, you must understand, or we must understand, that our loyalty is to the New Patriotic Party. That is what we are failing to understand. Our loyalty is to the New Patriotic Party. It's not to Dr. Bawumia, it's not to Kennedy Japan, it's not to Kwabnai Japan. It is to the New Patriotic Party. There is one thing most people don't know. It is that no matter who you are, no matter who you are, once you become flag bearer of the NPP, you draw your manifesto according to the vision of the NPP, the right-wing ideology. In the end, it's not about who is the flag bearer. Whatever vision you see, when you take the 70-bold solution of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, it all falls within the right-wing ideology of the party we are in. So the same thing will have happened if Japan had won. The vision will fall within what NPP believes in and stands for. It's for that reason that you cannot say that because so and so has not been voted for as flag bearer, no, you will withdraw yourself. If you do that, you are being silly. You are being silly. That is why we have manifesto committees. If it were to be about one single individual's vision, then we won't have manifesto committees. Many people from various sectors coming at various meetings to put things together. So the party has a vision, and it is that vision that whenever we come to power, we put forward for the development of Ghana. So if you take John Ajikun Kufuor's government and you take Akufo-Addo's government, you will realize that both of them, there are similarities. And that is it. That is a party we belong to. So let your loyalty be to the NPP. Make up your mind that even if NPP should bring somebody with disability, you are going to support the person. Yes. We cannot allow internal competitions to divide us. No, we cannot. We cannot afford that. Yes. Mami saving from Buzia's time. Yes, exactly. When you look at Kufuor's administration, almost everything he did was in synergy to Buzia's ideologies. Akufo-Addo's government was kind of like a continuation of Kufuor's government. So anybody that becomes flag bearer will only and can only implement the visions of the right-wing ideology of the NPP. And look, anybody that becomes flag bearer of the NPP, we can win an election with the person, even if the person is a Buddhist. So let's forget about that religion bit. Don't say because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is behind me, so I'm doing campaign for him. Everyone knows that I'm a Bawumia guy. But what I'm saying is that even if you bring a fetish priest, and that is whom the party accepts that he should be our flag bearer, that person will win the election, provided we are united behind him. That is it. Today, we are all hailing Bawumia Ken. This is the same person they said he was a Freemason. People did not accept his belief. But once the party has shown him support and we are all hailing him, you see everybody, we are all rallying behind him, and his star keeps shining and shining. So that is it. In the end, the party is a party that will appeal to somebody for their vote. Our internal elections is just about charisma. That is what our internal elections are about. It's not our internal elections are like I like the demeanor of Bawumia, or someone say, oh, I like the buga of Ken. That's what our internal campaigns, our internal elections, they are not really about visions and ideologies. I mean, they are not about campaign promises and those stuffs. So it cannot divide us. Now, we must also make it a point to know that and understand that social media is very, very powerful. Very extremely powerful. There has not been any day that I've come on live that I've not learned a thing or two from the comment section or from the guests that come up. And truth be told, some of these guests, sometimes I wish it was to be like a video conference that we do, because Nana Kojo says, you are very right, bro, you've spoken very well and with wisdom, but certain things must be changed. Very well noted, Kojo. Thank you so much for your feedback. Sometimes somebody will be speaking, I mean the guest, and the way the voice is, you would think say the person are your mate. Then you go and hear something like, I finished Form 5 in 1989. I say, Jesus Christ. We'll be away Form 5 1989. There was this lady that came on the live and she was speaking. I think the aspiring homemaker. When you hear her voice, it should tell you somebody in her maybe early 30s. Then you hear that I finished a nursing training in 2006. You see, so you come and meet people on social media, and it's very transformative. Personally, I get my energy from people who are outside the country. I'm not being biased, but when I see the way they rally themselves behind the flag of the New Patriotic Party, knowing very well that some of these people, they don't have anything to gain or lose. They don't. Some of these people, they are well to do. They have their own houses outside the country. They are driving their dream vehicles already. There's a difference between a car and a vehicle, by the way. It depends on your budget. Some of these people are well to do. Policies in Ghana might not affect them directly, but to have them come here every time to listen and also to suggest tells me that I'm not on a wrong course. I cannot be wrong. So there's some comments that come in. Nana Kojo says, Auntie Selena says that's so true. Nana Kojo says that the delegate system of voting and the special voting must change. Let's open to all to vote. Nana Kojo is being considered. Mrs. Japan said, because we know NPP is the best among all the parties in Ghana. Yes, indeed. It takes. Baby is laughing. It cannot be a mistake that people outside the country most of them are supporting NPP. Is it for appointment? They don't care about your appointment. Obi clean Juma Kura or Brochikura, in monthly salary is more than an MP in Ghana salary. So if you have people like Mami, like Baby, like Auntie Selena, like Auntie Pauline, like the rest, who come on here and who are doing their well-to-do. That is why sometimes it pains me when some of my friends or some of our young people who are in NDC, they'll come in the comment section and all they can do is to make enemies for themselves. They'll come and be like moi and all those things. Because I have seen the power of social media. Anye Shikrano starting my masters. Starting my masters, school fees near 18,000. 18,000. Almost about 11,000 Ghana cedis that I paid was from social media, was from right this platform. People I don't know in real life. I've not seen with my eyes before. And all this is because of the belief in NPP. If not because of NPP, if not because of NPP, how will I come and where will I come and meet Mami at? Where will I meet Baby at? Where will I meet Auntie Selena at? It is because of NPP. So I cannot sit down and say I did not get appointment at Akufo-Addo, so I have not gotten anything from NPP. So the most important thing is that you start something. People will look at what you've started and then they will decide to help you. It is difficult to convince people you have a vision when you have not started anything. Assuming that I had a TikTok page and I wasn't doing anything with it, then I go into people's DMs and start lobbying that, oh, I'm an NPP person, oh, help me. Do you think someone mind me? Nobody will mind me. The microphone I'm using, which I've destroyed, I've managed to destroy anyway, I'm using it. It was bought for me. It was bought for me, the microphone. This 1,500 cedis, it was bought for me. And it was because I was able to show that my page, TikTok page then, had over 10,000 followers. That's why it was bought for me. The headset I'm using, it was bought for me by someone who is watching the live right now. The stand that the phone is on, it was bought by somebody here. So that is the power and influence the party we belong to carries. So if you are a young person, you are listening to me, start working for the party. Be proud of the party. Be proud. When we were going to the election, somebody contacted me that the father was contesting for MP. I said, Frimpoma, be careful. And I said that she wanted to send me videos for me to post for the father. I said, okay. I went to the person's page. I went to check. So when she said that now I went to check her page. When I went to her page now, there was nothing about NPP on her page. I told myself, you are not serious. And like what you said, you deserve to be communication director because you have facts and figures and speak well. And that's what I'm humbled. When I went to check her page, Obia ni Papa contested as parliamentary candidate too. I went to her TikTok page. Now, nothing about NPP is there. And you want me to be the one to push your father. Right? So You must be proud of the party. Mrs. Japan says that, bro, we love you dearly, continue the good work, the good job. Some of us don't support the party because of position. Yes, it's true. You must be proud. Even Bible says that nobody owns a light and puts it under a bed. So the moment you are shy of the party, it means you don't love the party. You don't believe in our vision. I'm even coming to preach, cry. And Bible says that the two were naked and they were not ashamed. It's because they understood what it was, what their nakedness meant. So on no day should you be ashamed of being a patriot. Because you are in opposition, you don't want to wear party paraphernalia any longer. Are they? Is it a crime to be part of the NPP? This is the time to show that we are not going back. We are not turning back. So don't be tempted into bootlicking. I showed you some time ago, I think some 2 or